can't breathe, I don't wanna die young. Why you follow me, officer? Why you pulling out your gun? I didn't do nothing. Oh, you shot me. You shot me. I told you I ain't have a gun. Please don't let me die. Why you shoot me? You promised that you wasn't gon' kill me. Please don't let me die. I don't wanna die young. I wasn't reaching for it. Why you shoot me? Please don't let me die. Lord save me, you got me, stop tasing me. I don't mean no disrespect, I just can't breathe correctly. God loves you and I love you too. This the cold and bitter truth. These are the last words of our fallen soldiers. Heart heavy, but the world heavier on our shoulders. Think about their lives and their tears, I can't control it. Lord hold us, cause we need you right now. George Floyd changed the world, we can't breathe right now. Take a moment of silence and a need right now. Give us peace right now, help us see right now. Into all of one slain, rest in peace right now. Please don't let me die, I don't wanna die young. I don't wanna die young. Please don't let me die, I don't wanna die young. I don't wanna die young. Say my name, so the world don't forget us. Keep fighting for just us. Say my name. It's not just about us, it's about the future. Say my name, so the world don't forget us. Keep fighting for just us. Say my name. It's not just about us, it's about the future. I can't breathe, George Floyd. I wasn't reaching for it, Philando Castile. You promised you wouldn't kill me, Natasha McKenna. I can't breathe, Freddie Gray. They tased me, Walter Scott. I didn't even do nothing, Samuel Du Bois. I don't wanna die young, Kristen Taylor. I can't breathe, Eric Gardner. I don't have a gun, stop shooting, Michael Brown. Please don't let me die, Kimani Gray. Why are you following me for, Trayvon Martin? Why did you shoot me, Kendrick McDade? Officer, why do you have your guns out, Kenneth Chamberlain? You shot me, Oscar Grant. I love you too, Sean Bell. R.I.P. Rayshard Brooks. R.I.P. Breonna Taylor. And so many other people that I didn't mention. You gone, but you not forgotten. Say my name. You won't die young. We gon' keep your name living.